How to read YouTube Analytics, simple guide for beginners. YouTube Analytics helps you understand how your channel and videos are performing. Here are the key sections you should focus on. 1. Overview tab. Views: how many times people watched your videos. Watch time, hours, total amount of time viewers have spent watching your videos. Subscribers: how many people subscribed or unsubscribed during the period. Estimated revenue, if monetized, shows your earnings from ads, memberships, etc. This is a snapshot of your channel's overall performance. 2. Reach tab. Impressions: how many times your video thumbnails were shown on YouTube. Click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who clicked your video after seeing the thumbnail. A higher CTR means your title and thumbnail are attracting viewers. Traffic sources: where your viewers are finding your videos, search, suggested videos, external links, etc. Helps you understand how people are discovering your content. 3. Engagement tab. Watch time: which videos keep people watching the longest. Average view duration: how long viewers typically watch your video before leaving. Top videos shows which of your videos get the most engagement. This tells you what content keeps viewers interested. 4. Audience tab. Returning versus new viewers shows whether people come back to your channel or if you're mostly attracting new viewers. When your viewers are on YouTube, helps you know the best time to publish videos. Demographics: age, gender, location, insight into who your viewers are. Useful for knowing your audience and tailoring your content. 5. Revenue tab, for monetized channels. Estimated revenue: how much you're earning. RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, shows how much you make per 1,000 views. Top earning videos: which videos bring in the most money. Helps you understand which content is profitable. Tips for beginners. Focus on CTR and average view duration. These show if your titles/thumbnails are good and if people stay to watch. Check your top videos, make more content similar to what's already working. Use audience data, post videos when your viewers are most active.